So this is very important question, and people ask this question. They ask that, sir, is English grammar important in spoken English? Or they ask, what is role of English grammar in spoken English? Right. So when we start learning English, and how people are start learning English, how people are starting learning English, actually they are learning English grammar. After that they are trying to speak English. So if we talk about this method can make us confused. We can get confused in it. Like for the example, if you are learning any grammatical rule, you are learning parts of speech, you are learning tenses, you are learning modal verbs, you are learning articles, or whatever you are learning. Actually what happens with us when we start learning English and we learn from grammar, we start from grammar. So what we think at the time of speaking English, we think that am I right or wrong? Am I right? We think that am I right or wrong? Am I making right sentence or not? Is it correct sentence or not? How should I make this sentence? Which tense should I use? Which modal verb should I use? Or should I use article here or not? While speaking English, our mind start thinking about this thing. So what happens with us? We are trying to speak English, but we are thinking about grammar. So sir, what do you mean? In the beginning, when someone or somebody knows nothing, why shouldn't he learn English grammar? Why it's not important for him? That's important. That should, we are studying. If we talk about a student who is studying now, so whether they are studying in English medium school or whether they are studying in Hindi medium school, they are actually learning all those things in their schools. So they are confused, but they are learning. So when we start the method of speaking English, we create interactive environment in the class. And we create different kind of environment in the class where people can interact with each others. So they try to speak, whether they are speaking right or wrong. But if we are teaching them grammar, this video is very helpful for teachers also. If we are teaching with grammar, if we are starting, they are coming and they are starting in English grammar. So it's very problematic for them. They can get confused. So what is the method? So what I think, it's my personal view that what I have observed, right, in my teaching. So I have observed that when we start speaking English in the class without knowing grammar, we just try to speak on small topics, we just try to share our ideas, we just try to share our experience with others. Actually we improve it step by step. And if we get freedom of speaking wrong English, we can speak right English. So in the beginning, if you want to learn English, there is no need to learn English grammar. And when after completing the level, when we start speaking, we get that confidence of speaking English. That's very important thing, that people don't get confidence of speaking English and they start learning English grammar. So they don't have confidence. They can't share their ideas on the stage. And even we see sometimes people are unable to share these ideas in Hindi also. In their mother tongue, whatever their mother tongue is, they try to express something or the other, but they can't express it. And when they are unable to share their ideas in their mother tongue, we are telling them that you have to share your ideas in English language. And you have to focus on grammar also. You have to keep this thing in mind, that whenever you are going to speak, you have to care about grammar. So what happened with us in that situation? People lose their confidence and they don't work on that. So that's why that in the beginning, when we try to speak English, and in the beginning when we want to speak English, we don't need to learn grammar and we should not learn grammar. This is my open advice. We should not learn English grammar when we are trying to speak English. In the class, I'm talking about classes where people are learning English. I'm talking about those. Alright. If we talk about grammar, that how does it play an important role? So what is the role of grammar in spoken English? It plays very important role, but not in the beginning. If we want to speak correct English, if we want to make our English correct, we want to make correct sentences, we want to speak correct sentences, we want to write correct sentences, or we want to express ourselves in a correct manner with correct grammatical rules, then it's very important. We need to learn it. We need to focus on it. But when we know nothing, we are trying to express our thought, we are learning grammar, and that we are thinking that I have to speak, then that's problematic. So what is the rule that we have to, first we have to start learning speaking English. We have to start speaking English, and we have to just be focused on our expressions that we want to express before others. If we are not learning that thing and we are thinking about grammatical rules and we are learning grammatical rules in the beginning, that's hurting. That's a very problematic thing. So grammar is important. So the answer is grammar is important and also not important. So we have to know the situation where it is important.